guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the ELLESSE EPSTEINs. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. It helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do it. Let's get into it. So today, we've got a look at ELLESSE and Liam Hodges collaboration. This is their latest one. It's got an unfortunate name on, which is a shame. I'm pretty sure the name Epstein has been tainted now, but we've got the Epsteins, or Epstein, however you want to pronounce it, in the UK size 8, European 42, and it's US men's size 9, and we got this in a black, dark grey, white colorway. Before I get unboxing, for those that don't know, Liam Hodges is a British, London-based menswear designer. What he does, he takes a lot of streetwear, silhouettes, he takes inspiration from streetwear and experiments using very different kind of experimental cuts. And I have heard the name of Liam Hodges, I'm familiar with his work, but I never knew he did a collaboration with ELLESSE. And ELLESSE is one of those vintage, predominantly famous in the 90s. They were bigger in the 90s and early 2000s. They've seen a resurgence now because of the whole Depop crowds. They've been buying into vintage, and you see loads of people wearing ELLESSE big puffer jackets and ELLESSE sweaters with the name. And I'm pretty sure that is how you pronounce the name. There's been heavy debate whether it's ELLESSE or ELLESSE, but because it's named after the founder's daughter, I'm pretty sure it's ELLESSE, and it's Italian as well. All that said, we'll get looking, and we look at the box first. So you got the LH, the Liam Hodges logo with the ELLESSE logo there, and it looks like it's the mountain wear with all the contours. Well, it's not really contours, it's just a lot of graphic here, but it reminds me of something to do with mountains. Unboxing, and here they go. Looks like another chunky sneaker to me. And we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You got a lot of herringbone traction there with the ELLESSE logo in this white color right there in the middle. The midsole unit is just a foam midsole, but at the heel you can see it there. It says ELLESSE. And moving along to the upper, so this upper, it reminds you of any other chunky sneaker. However, Liam Hodges, he got his inspiration from skiing attire and snowboarding attire, what you would wear on the Alps when you're snowboarding and when you frolic in the snow. You got a lot of inspiration from moon boots as well. You can see how, because of the chunky silhouette, and you can see that it's quite foamy and puffy, just like a moon boot. So the whole upper is a blend of materials, predominantly leathers, but you can see on the toe box, you can see the mesh that's underneath. But on the overlays, you can see a lot of leather cuts here. And what strikes you the most, what strikes you first even, is the big Velcro strap with the ELLESSE logo in this white colorway. And when you unattach them, you can see essentially it's a split tongue, similar to the Asics Gillette 3s. I like the Asics Gillette 3s. We haven't done a review in a long time, but we have done one, so check that out. I've shown my love for that. So hopefully, I'm assuming that it's going to be as comfortable as a Gillette 3, because the way that the cut and the silhouette of the sneaker is, it reminds me of the Asics Gillette 3. So on the toe, you can see the Liam Hodges logo, or the name is just embossed there. We look at the heel counter. So the heel counter, you got two different ones. So you got the ELLESSE logo on the right, and on the left you got LH. You got a pull tab there for easy access to get your feet in. The inner, so you can see that you've got this ankle support, very nicely foamed, and in the inside you've got a synthetic insole with ELLESSE and Liam Hodges on the branding. I'm really intrigued to try these on, guys, because of the mechanics of how it works, how to get your feet in, and I just want to see how it fastens. So this is a real treat for me. I can't believe I've said that when it's something to do with Epstein. I think they should change the name personally at this given time, but who are they to know? Anyway, we're gonna roll that footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size European fit. I just so happen to be a 42, which is a UK size 8, so do look out for that. Now, when it comes to trying it on, it was a bit difficult. I don't know if you saw, but it took a while for me to put my feet through. These aren't the most comfortable sneakers, I'm not gonna lie, guys. They're very tight around the middle of my feet. It feels like it's squishing against my sides. I'm not the biggest fan, because I was expecting and I was hoping for it to be a bit more comfortable. Snow boots, when I think of snow boots, I think of more pillows and just relatively more comfortable shoes. These aren't it, however. They look cool on, but that's about it really. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us out on Oneupreviewz with ZDDN. Until next time, peace.